Introducing reference letters in Drafts 2.0, a new feature designed to simplify your workflow. This tool is available for select case types, helping you quickly generate professional, ready-to-edit letters tailored to your client's needs. Let's get started. First, make sure your process is created and documents are uploaded. You can check progress on the left-hand side. On the Exhibits List step, you'll see the option to draft reference letters. We recommend doing this before completing the draft so the letters appear in your exhibit list. Click Start under Create Reference Letters. A pop-up window will give you the option to add more documents or use AI document analysis, which reviews your files and picks what's needed. This process takes a few minutes. Next, review the reference contacts and the documents linked to each individual. The first two columns will display the recommender's name and role. On the Documents column, click the number of files selected to see what the AI will use to prepare the letter. Want to include another document? Just select it and click Save Selection. By default, the system uses standard templates. If you have custom templates, remember to upload them first. Letters default to 1 to 2 pages, with an option for 3 to 4 pages in the drop-down selection. Click Next. Letters will process in the queue. Once complete, the status shows Draft Completed. Click the document, then Letter Preview to review and edit as needed. Letter generation times can vary. Here you see our standard template format. The Letter Preview section allows you to edit the reference letter like you would in Word. If you want to redraft the letter using a different template, click Settings, select a new template, adjust the length if desired, and click Redraft. Close the side window and wait for the status to change to Draft Completed. You can then preview the updated letter. Finally, select the reference letter and click Add to Exhibit List. You'll return to the Exhibits page where the letters are now part of your case exhibits. For any additional support, reach out to support@visalaw.ai through email. Thank you for watching.